G'day guys, Peter from Team Low Range 4x4 here, and today's finally the day we're going to discover what's gone wrong with my Adventurekings winch. So just a quick recap, myself and my wife decided to go out four-wheel driving. We got a bit stuck in the bog hole and we tried to self-recover ourselves using the winch. It's failed on us basically, and now I've removed the winch from the vehicle and we're going to take it apart and diagnose what's actually gone wrong. So if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video and of course subscribe, and we're going to get straight into it right now. Okay guys, I've taken it apart, I've separated it basically, and there is a lot of moisture and there's a lot of muck inside here. So I'm going to say that that is a big contributor to why this winch has failed on me in this particular way. I put it in free spool, I can't seem to turn this cog at all. It seems quite seized. I'm not sure if it's meant to be like that or not. A little pessimistic if I can actually take all these out. They look quite rusted, not even corroded, they're quite rusted. I will attempt to do that. What level of success I will have, I don't know. I'll give that a go now and see what happens. Okay guys, it's pretty obvious here that the silt and build-up of muck over time is what has actually caused the winch to fail on me. Let's see if we can clean this up and what the extent of the damage is. Okay guys, so it's pretty obvious what has gone wrong here. There's a lot of muck, there's a lot of mud, there's a lot of silt, there's a lot of build up inside the winch. And it's obviously because I do a lot of bog holes, a lot of river crossings and things like that. Can I blame the winch 100%? Maybe I should be servicing it more regularly and this would have never happened. Now I've got a wonderful task of trying to defunkify the whole winch and putting it back together. That's probably going to take a couple of days and probably another video in itself because I don't have enough grease and things on hand. So guys, obviously the lesson here is if you're going to do some water crossings, bog holes, double check your winch, take it apart, make sure there's no moisture in it and probably re-grease it on a more regular basis. Or grab yourself a more tolerant winch to those kind of conditions. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video. I'm Peter from Team Low Range 4x4. There's going to be plenty more videos like this in the future, hopefully not disastrous ones. So therefore jump on board and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.